Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once you have your content open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and the volume down at the same time. As you can see, it gives you this sound along with a little pop-up right here. If you're doing this the first time around, it also gives you a guide how you can use this. And as you can see, there was also a scrollable option, so if you drag it down, it gives you this scroll. And when you let go, it starts scrolling down. Now, HUAWEI has one of the worst ones. As you can see, it scrolls down with like some increments, does it fairly fast, and it gives you zero control. Once you tap on the screen, it just ends the scroll and processes the image that you have supposedly captured. So as you can see, it stops right here. There is more to the page if I would scroll down, but I cannot do it from here. I would need to recapture it and let it go down lower if I wanted to. So, like I mentioned, the worst implementation here. So if you're planning to utilize this in some kind of way, what I would recommend you to do is overshoot whatever you're trying to capture and then simply crop it to the exact size you want to, and from there you can save it. Now, number one, this overrides the first screenshot that we have captured with a longer version. So if you wanted to also have a shorter one, you'll need to capture it separately. And that image that we have captured can be found in our gallery application. So as you can see, it replaced the normal screenshot with the scrollable one. So this is the long one, and then when I cropped it, it created another one, which is again the weirdest thing ever. So yeah. Anyway, that is how you could capture a screenshot on this phone, and additionally where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.